How to switch models in Claude AI 2026. Full guide. Did you know that choosing the right Claude model can completely change the quality, speed, and depth of your results? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to switch models in Claude AI in 2026, what each model is best for, and how to make sure you are always using the right one for the job. Claude currently offers three main models, each designed for a different purpose. Claude Haiku is the fastest and lightest model, perfect for quick, simple tasks. Claude Sonnet is the balanced, everyday model, fast and capable for most work. And Claude Opus is the most powerful model, built for complex reasoning, deep analysis, and difficult problems. Knowing when to use each one is just as important as knowing how to switch between them, so let us get into it. Step 1. Start a new chat on Claude.ai. Model switching happens at the start of a conversation. Open your browser, go to Claude.ai, and click New Chat to begin a fresh session. Step 2. Find the model selector. Look at the bottom of the chat box right next to the Send button. You will see the name of the currently active model displayed there. Click on it to open the Model Selector menu. Step 3. Choose your model. A drop-down will appear showing all available Claude models including Haiku 4.5, Sonnet 4.6, and Opus 4.6. Simply click the model you want to use and it will be selected immediately. Your very next message will be processed by that model. Step 4. Switch models mid-conversation if needed. Claude allows you to switch models even within an ongoing conversation. Simply click the model name shown next to the Send button at any point during your chat and select a different model. The change takes effect on your next message, giving you full flexibility as your task evolves. Step 5. Toggle the thinking feature if available. On supported models like Claude Sonnet and Opus, you will also see a thinking toggle near the model selector. Switching this on activates extended reasoning mode, where Claude works through complex problems step by step before responding. You can also switch on extended thinking for even deeper processing on the most demanding tasks. Now let me quickly tell you which model to use and when. Use Claude Haiku when you need fast answers, simple questions, quick lookups, or high-volume repetitive tasks where speed matters more than depth. Use Claude Sonnet for everyday work like writing, coding, research, summarizing documents, and most general tasks. It is the default for a good reason. Use Claude Opus when you are tackling something genuinely complex, like difficult debugging, architectural decisions, advanced analysis, or anything that requires deeper and more careful reasoning. Now here is your pro tip. A powerful workflow used by advanced Claude users is to start with Sonnet for your initial exploration and simple parts of a task. Then switch to Opus only when you hit something truly complex that needs deeper thinking, and then switch back to a lighter model for straightforward cleanup tasks like formatting or simple edits. This way you get the best of all three models in a single session without wasting resources on simple tasks. So to recap, open a new chat on Claude.ai, click the model name next to the Send button, select your preferred model from the dropdown, and switch at any point during your conversation as your needs change. It really is that simple. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a guide like this one. And let me know in the comments which Claude model is your favorite and what you use it for most. See you in the next one.